Guys, what's up? I'm gonna do another unboxing because the Twitter live video is really bad quality. I tried to download it, it's not working. But basically I got a big package today. Like, massive. Like, it doesn't even fit in this frame. It's about the size of half a single bed. But before we get to the big thing, it's all for this DVD. GACKT released a limited edition Kamui Gakuen DVD. Woo! Pretty. This was the tour from last year, from like last June. Yay! Comes with a booklet and it's all like pretty boys. Oh, look at Kaijo. More pretty boys. All the merch that I wasted my money on. Pretty boys. And loads of pretty boys in tracksuits. More pretty boys. You get the gist. So yeah, it's only one disc this time. I think previous one there was like a free soundtrack CD, which I got as well. But it's the limited edition, which my friend got me. And it comes in like this huge box. Are you ready? I'm gonna jump in. Looky, it's Kaijo! Ah! And the best thing is, he speaks. I love him so much. But he's huge. Like, I can't even fit him in the screen probably. Let's get the box. Like, he's really tall. I'm too short. Or he's really tall. Either way. Oh, he's so cool. And he's so squishy and soft. But yeah, I don't know how many phrases he has, and I don't understand Japanese, so no idea what he's saying. Yeah, my friend got me this for my birthday and my Christmas, and it's like the best gift ever. Thank you, Arfa. So happy. Anyway, that's the unboxing. So happy.